Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error code 0x80070643 that you are experiencing on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match, so come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button that corresponds to it. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, so come back with a command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, and give this a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that scan has concluded, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. It's a system file checker utility, and go ahead and paste it into the command prompt the same way you did the first one here, and hit enter. Okay, so once that's concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you've been able to resolve the issue on your computer with Windows Update, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.